Happy Christmas Eve and Merry Christmas. This is your boy Russell Mack. Welcome back to the Vineyard. And today I'll be talking about another fragrance by English Laundry, Christopher Wicks. This video is for one of my subscribers, Julio Ayala. I'm trying to get his name right, but I'm doing this for him. And this is a preview on a fragrance that I recently picked up at Burlington. So stick around, and I'll be right back after this. All right? Peace, y'all.
All right. Okay. Okay.
I am back, family. Today, I'm talking about another fragrance from English Laundry. But before we get into the fragrance review, yes, I am recording this video sitting in my bed. I'm relaxing this evening. It's cold outside. I got some eggnog. I got some chocolate chip cookies. And we are kicked back, me and my girls and my lady, and we chilling. And I thought I'd go on and do this video, and this is for my boy Julio. He calls me Holmes. Okay. Merry Christmas to all of you. Merry Christmas to all of you. Thank you for joining me this evening for this fragrance preview. I will be uploading this soon as I finish previewing this fragrance. All right. If you like fragrance content like this, top 10s, giveaways, top 5s, 7s, or any other number, new fragrances, new release, first impressions, why don't you consider subscribing to Solomon's Vineyard? Don't forget to hit the notification bell and hit all to get all fragrance content from this channel. Also like, share, and comment. Okay, any comment that you may have, any question you may have, comment down below. I love hearing from the subscribers. Any question, sin of the day, whatever it is, feel free to comment down below. All right, now let's get into the fragrance. English Laundry. And the fragrance that my boy Julio wanted to know about is this one. And this is called Arrogant. This is by English Laundry. This is a 2010. So this fragrance been out for 10 years. It's amazing that I had never heard of English Laundry. Wow, been around for 10 years. All of the fragrances I've worn and had, I have never had these. As I said on the last video, I previewed Oxford Blue, and I now have 8 in my collection. The Oxford Blue actually smell like Versace Eros, okay? I talked about that last night in the video. I think that I will come back though after wearing it a while and do another comparison, a deeper comparison, and talk about projection and performance, all right? But today we're talking about this one called Arrogant. And if Arrogance had a smell, I guess this would be it. I don't know how they know what Arrogance smell like, but this is the smell. And Julio wants to know about this. And this is a aromatic woody fragrance. An aromatic woody fragrance, 2010 release. This is the EDT concentration. So I guess that'll be considered a cologne. All right. But there is another one from English Laundry that smells almost identical to this one. It's a little stronger, but let's just talk about this one first. This is also done by Chris Wicks. All right. This came out early 2010. This is a fresh, woody fragrance. All right. Let's spray a little bit on my wrist. Nice atomizer. That's for you guys. Man, super blast when you spray this fragrance, okay? Wow. You're getting the lovely lavender along with the bergamot. So this fragrance is super fresh at the top. Beautiful lavender note in the top of this fragrance with the bergamot, the freshness of the bergamot. Okay, and then in the heart, you have coriander along with cedar. There's your wood, okay? The coriander along with the bergamot and lavender. And then in the heart, you got amber and amber accord along with sandalwood. So basically what you get from this fragrance is fresh, clean, and woody. Very smooth fragrance, easy reach, easy to wear. Is this a wow fragrance? I would say it is. It's something about these scents that I love. Fresh, clean, mass appealing. This is certainly a compliment getter. Most people who are arrogant, and I can't speak on everybody, but there was a friend of mine who was very arrogant, but I tell you one thing, he always smelled good. And he thought that his fragrance was the best. No matter what you were wearing or anybody else was wearing, his was the best. His haircut was the best. His clothes were the best. And arrogant people, people who are egotistical, have a tendency to be that way. So I'm not gonna go no deeper with that. But yes, fresh, clean. It's bold. Most arrogant people are. This is one that certainly will get you attention. Most arrogant people are. This here is one that will get compliments, though. This is certainly a compliment getter. Good job, Chris Wicks. This is a synthetic fragrance, but it's blended well. It has the lavender along with the coriander and the bergamot. Man, real fresh. In the dry down, you get the cedar, amber, and the sandalwood. The sandalwood is in the back of the fragrance. You can't smell it, but it seems to be a little subdued, but it's there with the amber, cedar, coriander. Real nice fragrance. This is an EDT, so I would say 8 hours for sure. I did wear this one though. I wore this one once since I've gotten it, and I smelled it all evening. The whole entire time, even until I washed it off, I still could smell it. This is one you're gonna like. I say spray this one on your shirt too. This is one that when you walk in a room, this is a room filler. Yes, it's loud. It dries down to a woody fragrance. Fresh, clean. Yes, this is one you can wear for anything. At any time, for just about any situation, okay? Date night, dinner, the prom, the ball. I would say it's a youthful fragrance, but it is masculine. So any age group can wear this at any time, okay? Your mother, your dad, your sister, your girlfriend, your job, because you can wear it to work, okay? Just watch how you spray. All right, arrogant. I love it. I like it. I love it. I like it. I do. But it came out 2010. I keep saying that because its counterpart that smells almost identical, like I said, only it's stronger, and it is Signature. So you have arrogant here in my left hand. You have Signature here in my right hand. It also came out 2010. So I want to say it's a flanker, but this is the EDP concentration, Eau de Parfum. These fragrances have the same notes, okay? The only difference is the arrogant don't have lemon and cedar at the top, okay? So Signature have lemon and cedar along with bergamot and lavender at the top. In the heart, you have nutmeg and coriander, okay? In the bottom, you have vetiver, musk added to the amber and the sandalwood, all right? This is a oriental woody fragrance. Nutmeg, musk, vetiver is what gives this fragrance the strength that this one don't have. This fragrance I got about 12, 13 hours. It smells almost the same at the top, other than the sharpness and tartness from the lemon, but the cedar at the top balances out the lavender, bergamot, and lemon, okay? Coriander and nutmeg, the heart, coriander, and cedar here. So you got coriander and wood. In this fragrance, let me spray it for you. What you get from the heart from the signature, which to me, this would probably be the signature scent that I would choose. They both are incredibly beautiful, fresh, clean, bold, but this one, the EDP, is a little sharper. It's musky, and it keeps the musk all the way through the fragrance. I hope you guys can see it. I'm sitting in my bed, so I hope you can see it. I hope Talia got the camera zoomed in on it. But this one is definitely has a little bit more fresh. It's a little bit more fresher. Basically, this is a little bit more heavier than the Arrogant. It has that oriental nuance to it, coming from the way the fragrance is composed. From the nutmeg, you get that strong nutmeg note when this begins to dry down with the coriander, the musk, and then when it gets to the bottom, you got the vetiver, the freshness of the vetiver, the earthiness of the vetiver, and the musk is there all along from the spray, the top spray, down to the bottom, to the dry down. You got musk and that vetiver, that earthiness from the vetiver. You have the spiciness from the nutmeg. That nutmeg smell is there in the heart. Now, at the top, you have cedar, okay, in the top. So, of course, it's going to be woody from the opening spray with lavender. And, I mean, this stuff is beautiful. I don't know if many people is on this one. I don't know if they own this one. This one is good, but it's good though. I don't see many previews. I don't hear many people talking about it, but that don't mean people don't have it. Could be because they have a lot of fragrances and just don't get to this one much. But this is definitely signature worthy. This could be a signature scent. This one you could wear year round, okay? And I would mainly wear this one summer, spring, and fall. Now, being that it's cold now, I could definitely wear this one. You could rock this one because of the heaviness of the cedar in the top, the vetiver, musk, and the amber and the sandalwood in the heart. So overall, if you have Arrogant, you wouldn't have to really buy this one unless you're like me, curious. I'd say buy them both because they both are cheap fragrances. $12 for this 3.4 100 ml EDP. Marshalls, Burlington. You can find these just about at all rack stores in sets or by themselves. This you can find in sets or by itself. Okay, the bottle. In fact, I saw Signature today at Marshalls. It had this one, the 3.4, it had a small one like this, it had a shower gel and deodorant, okay? So, great bargain. That's what I like about this house. Anytime you find their fragrances, it's going to be a bargain, I can guarantee you. But what I also love about them, they just smell good. I mean, if you want something that smells good, you can't go wrong with either. So, Julio, you have Signature, you have Arrogant. It's up to you now to choose. Me personally, as a collector, I would buy both. But if you want a shoestring budget, like I am too, I still would pick this one because it's EDP concentration, but they both smell good. They both smell alike, only for the differences I described in the preview. Two nice fragrances. I love English Laundry. I do. I don't admit it. So that's it, you guys. I don't think I need to say any more. All right. Don't forget about the big giveaway coming up in early January. In fact, all January and February, I will be doing giveaways. At least that's the plan. Okay. And I want to give away bottles, big bottles. All right. So thank you. Happy Christmas Eve again. I hope you and your family are doing well. I know you're cooking and buying gifts and enjoying yourself, probably sitting around the fireplace for those of you that have one. Me, I got my heat running. I don't have a fireplace, so I'm going to pretend I do. Tomorrow I am wearing By the Fireplace by Mason
I meant to
Francis
say
Kirk
Mason
Jr.
Martin Margiela.
That's about it. Thank you so
and
much.
the replica
I love you guys.
brand.
Pray for
Thank
me.
you.
All right. And Merry Christmas to all. And to all, a good night. God bless you. From Russell Mack and the Mack family. Peace, y'all. Say Merry Christmas, y'all.
They knocked out, but Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. My girl done fell asleep. My youngest done fell asleep. All right, y'all. I love you guys. Peace.
Alright, alright, alright.